Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can present your presentation using Presenter View in Canva. Canva is a fantastic platform, and it's especially great for beginners who want to create graphic designs, edit videos, or make other things like business cards, stationery items, certificates, and much more. Presenting your presentation well is really important, and the way you present it truly matters. So if you just flip through your slides, it doesn't really look professional, and your presentation style definitely makes a difference. Take a look at how professional your presentation can appear in Canva. So if you're in the medical field, it's especially important. And actually, whatever field you work in, Canva has templates available. If you just search, for example, if you are in digital marketing, there are also marketing templates available. So you can see there are lots of templates to suit your needs. For example, if you're in the medical field, notice how professional the presentation looks. You don't even need to start from scratch. You can easily customize it however you want. And if you want to change an image, just go to Uploads and upload from your computer. For instance, if there's an image you want to replace, just drag and drop it in, and you're done. You can replace it instantly. So for now, we are demonstrating how to present this presentation in a professional way. To do that, go to the Share option. You can simply present from here too, but that's just the basic method. Now, I'll show you the professional way. Go to the Share option, and here you'll see Present. Then select the Presenter View, all right? This will pop up, and then just click Got it. Maximize it, and you're all set to go. So whether you're presenting in a call, or to your colleagues, students, or team members, anyone really, just hit Present, and you'll see there are even more options. You can write notes, explain things by drawing, and to navigate to another slide, you just need to click here. If you want to track time, there's a timer available too. And if you want to control your slides using your phone or another remote device, that's possible as well. If you need even more features, all right, just explore those options. You can also add notes here, and just like that, you can slide through the pages. So yeah, this is a more professional way to present your presentation to your colleagues or anyone you want. All right, so that's a simple and professional way to present your presentation to anyone you want to share it with. All right. If you have any questions or queries about this video, please comment below. I'll be answering all your questions. And if you want a specific video, just let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to create that video too. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.